Just a quick reminder about one of the most serious pieces of sporting business coming up in 2025. That will be the resumption of the World Cup qualifiers for the senior reggae boys. Coach Steve McLaren and his charges will have one more window in March to decide on his troops for the big battles ahead. Already, we're going to be without forward Mikel Antonio. His experience and quality will surely be missed. And it's down to Coach McLaren to play his cards right and get the team clicking in time for summer 2025. And it's not just the coaching staff and the players, but the fans need to roll out for the team as well. Come off of the fence and hop onto the wagon and give the team that extra push that they will certainly need. And we're sending out this reminder from early because all things considered, if Jamaica don't qualify for the 2026 World Cup, we're not set up.